vibrate and make unforgettable memories together. From learning ABCs to making new friends, from tiny steps to big dreams, this journey has been magical. I start the program by seeking the blessings of Master Rasul. I invite our esteemed principal ma'am and co-gentlemen on the stage for that lightning ceremony.
Few parents can join us. Few parents.
If we have some guests who have come to see the program, they can also come forward.
Yes, I think sir from Delhi. Ida's uncle, please join us. As our young children graduate today, let us join our hands and bow down and ask for blessings from Almighty. May they always, always, always lead on the righteous path. May they be great human beings. And may they make this world a better place. Showers of blessings on our children and on each one of you here. May the light always ignite the young minds with wisdom, love, and kindness. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, dignitaries. Now I invite my friends, please come up on the stage.
Parents, so many little hearts coming to welcome you. Come on. Can we just squeeze in a little? We want everybody to be seated and enjoying the program. थोड़े आगे आ जाइए, जगह है.
It's
You really created positive vibes in the hall. Wow. Thank you so much. A big hand.
What a beautiful and even performance. The blessings of my Saraswati and Puji set the tone for and filled with joy. Let us kiss the graduates. Going. Now I invite our respected principal and to share her inspiring words. Please welcome her. Big round of applause.
Good morning, everyone. I think the first job for me is to take the mic from them and really speak, because I don't feel like speaking, I don't feel like sharing. I just want to enjoy whatever they are showing, whatever strengths and skills they are presenting on the stage. I think that is speaking enough. I don't need words to express, because it's already expressed there, right at the beginning, right from the opening of the ceremony. You remember the day you have come for admission and the first day when you left your child here or you asked them to go to the bus. Remember that day? The day with all the questions in mind, whether my child will be comfortable in the school, आज मेरा बच्चा खाना खाएगा क्योंकि वो खाना नहीं खाता है जब तक मैं नहीं खिलाऊं। आज मेरा बच्चा रोता हुआ तो नहीं आएगा क्योंकि फर्स्ट डे है और स्कूल में किसी को वो जानता नहीं है। And today when you are sitting here, you are sitting with a comfort because you know they have developed all the skills there. They know how to adjust themselves. They know how to learn and how to really respond in a right manner. I think that itself speaks what is actually schooling of this age. This age does not need to really reflect on big chapters or theories. This age is something where they need to learn how they are going to adjust in the society, how they are going to take their world further. And your curiosity on the first day, I believe every parent has the same kind of curiosity. But I can assure you, after a few years, when you will again standing on the same position on the gate, and your children will come out with a graduation cap, you will have all the joys in your eyes, because that day you will understand that yes, my job is done. As a parent, I have given my duty and I wanted my child to come out with a pride and a joy and confidence what you have maybe really thought of on first day. And I think every parent has the same kind of expression, same kind of feelings, including me. I remember my first day like you, when I left my child, I was very worried and I was crying, although I was into the education field, but still I was crying because I was leaving my child to the school. My worry was same, that my child will finish off the lunch which I have given or not, and my joy was every day, homework or not homework, but my child used to finish the tiffin. That was my joy that time. And when he used to go for picnic, and I used to see the teacher there, I still remember when he was going for picnic, there was one art teacher who was going with them, and the teacher has 3 kids, and I was full night worried that one बेचारी छोटी सी टीचर जिसके साथ अपने भी 3 बच्चे हैं, how are they going to look at other children, almost 100 children who are going with her. But beauty of a teacher is she knows how to handle, she knows how to give the way, and in the process they train children in such a way that they know how to stand with a pride. Like if you turn your faces, you will find children standing with the same pride which we want them to carry. So let's start the program with big round of applause and all the happiness and joy for our children that yes, this is what we wanted to, and we are sure that in primary years also they are going to continue this journey. Thank you.
now the moment we have all been waiting for the grand admission ceremony. Today we celebrate the hard work and success of our graduates who have filled the classroom with laughter and joy. Let us give them a big round of applause as they step forward to receive their well-earned honors. I would request Parvati ma'am to please come on the stage and do the honors. Class Article 2A.
Thank you, directors. Good morning, everyone. Respected parents, esteemed guests, and our dear little graduates. Today is a magical day, brimming with smiles, warm heart, and a sprinkle of happy tunes. As we go further, here we celebrate the graduation of our wonderful RTF2 students. Our heart is filled with emotion. It feels like just yesterday when this little hand held our hand for the first time. Their eyes were filled with curiosity and wonders. And today we see them standing before us with confidence and ready to fly for the next step of their journey. To our amazing parents, thank you for trusting us with your precious little one. Your support, love, and encouragement have helped us to shape this little heart. And together we have watched them blossom. So now let's us all call our rising star of RTF 2A. Let's all give a big round of applause for Dharmesh Shah. He is not only an amazing learner, but also a true leader who always lends a hand and helps his friends. A big hands together for Tanvi Singh. Her creativity knows no war, and her academic brilliance makes her truly excellent. Let's welcome Arohi Solanki. With an excellent memory and a quick grasping power, she both supportive and kind. Let's give a warm welcome to Dharmesh Desai. He is a confident child who takes initiative and lets others with ease. He always eager to learn. He stays actively engaged in everything he does. Let's applaud Manvir Mawadi. Learning comes naturally to Manvir. He absorbs new ideas swiftly and applies them with ease. Let's give a big round of applause for Sarah Chumar. She is a kind and helpful child who listens attentively with confidence and enthusiasm. She makes every moment learning experience. Let's welcome Harakshu Patel, a passionate and active participant in extracurricular and creative activities. He has shown great growth in academic and peer relation. Let's welcome Riva Bagasia, a brilliant mind with endless curiosity. She shines in every chance. Her energy and enthusiasm brings joy to the classroom.
Parvati, if I can just a second. Parents, we need to really applaud louder. We are so proud of them. Come on. As they walk down, I really want to show your love. Thank you. Continue.
Let's welcome Arya Gu to the stage. She is a dedicated learner with remarkable writing progress and has deep admiration for her teachers. Here comes Naks Fatiri. He is a cheerful child and a great friend to his peers, always excited for new activities. He brings energy and enthusiasm to the classroom. Let's welcome Ibrahim Lightwar to the stage with a big cheer. He is confident to share his thoughts in class, his questions, and enjoy his post-scholastic activity. Let's welcome Harmanat Singh Pratap. He is always eager to learn and full of energy. Whether in class or in real time, he makes every moment enjoyable. Let's give a cheerful welcome to Shiva Lakhani. His curiosity and commitment to learning makes him a wonderful addition to our classroom. Let's cheer for Arvi Kedan. A creative thinker, her work is always commendable. She loves exploring and asking questions. Give her a big round of applause. Here comes our artistic Aya Bithani. She is a passionate learner who has made incredible progress in reading and excellent writing skills. A big cheers for Pavitra Savani, smart, kind, and always respectful. She is a true gem in our class. We can't wait to see you shine. Let's applaud Prabhu Pisania. He is a key learner who had made fantastic progress in reading. With the same, he also follows classroom rules like a true superstar. Put your hands together for Jiva Mistry. Her dedication, enthusiasm, and hard-working spirit make her a true star in all she does. Let's welcome Jinan Shah with joy. A confident and friendly child. He put a great effort to improve his English skill and grow every day. Let's cheer for him. Let's welcome David Tarbala to the stage with a big round of applause. He is a highly energetic child who never hesitates to try new things. With his friendly nature, he makes friends with ease and spread positivity wherever he goes. Let's give a big cheers for Kaira Shah. Her cheerful personality and positive attitude light up the classroom. With her enthusiasm and bright spirit, she makes learning a joyful experience for everyone. To our little staff, as we move forward to a new adventure, always remember, you are smart, you are kind, you are special in all your unique ways. Never stop exploring, asking questions, and spreading your smile everywhere you go. This is just the beginning of a beautiful journey. So let's celebrate together with laughter, joy, and lots of hugs. Now let's start with the RTS 2A superstars shining today, leading tomorrow.
Good morning, our respected dignitaries, parents and teachers. Today is a very special day to all of us as we are moving one step ahead in our journey. We are excited to share our few highlights of our journey at TMS. You know how we bring out our creativity through performing and visual arts. At TMS, we have many fun activities where we explore our creativity. Music helps us to learn new songs, and art allows us to express our ideas in drawing and coloring. And dance, which is great way to exercise by learning different styles like classical and western dance. Every day at school, it's full of fun and learning. Even we make learning numbers full of fun and excited at TMS. Numeracy is one of the most exciting subjects at TMS. sharpen our counting, addition, and subtraction skills. It interactive exercise that keep us engaged and excited. Let's go exciting concepts like long and short, more than and less than, and 3D shapes through fun activities that make learning easy. Learning numeracy is not just about solving problems, it's about thinking, reasoning, and finding solutions in fun way. Using our math-based we play interactive games which help us develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Let's take a moment to hear about exciting competition we take part in at TLS. Here, various competitions have been organized where we can showcase our talent and creativity from making scrumptious dishes in the Little Chef competition to learning about our country in Know Your State. Every competition teaches us something new. So get to learn my way and sharing meaningful messages and Uttar Natak, a ways to wow. We learn how to use materials and we create. Thanks to our teachers and parents for supporting us every competition and motivating us to do our best and write each time. Do you want to know how is the acting and so acting? One of the most exciting events at TMS is a sports day. We participate in different sports and games to our exhibit, our strength and teamwork. Friend, do you remember a grand parade was organized featuring the dynamic tableau, showcasing Army, Navy and Air Force. They are celebrating their strength and dedication. Sports is not just about winning, it teaches us discipline and determination. One day, some of us may represent India in sports, but today we are proud to be young champions. Guess what? We have a special friend who helps us read every day. Her name is Amira. Reading is the important skill, making fun and exciting. She's the technology. Amira supports us by listening to our reading, guiding us through difficult words and motivating us to live with confidence and peace. With Amira, we improve our reading abilities and can express ourselves through stories and books. Now we enjoy reading our favorite books on our own and now sharing wonderful stories with our near and dear ones. Do you know one of the most dedicated at our school, our very own Millennium Got Talent? Our school provides every child with a platform to express and develop their unique talent. not just a competition. It was a platform for everyone to learn and grow. What a wonderful year it has been. We learned, laughed, and made memories that will stay with us forever. TMS has given us confidence, friendship, and so much happiness. Thank you to our teachers for guiding us, our parents for always cheering us, and our friends for making every moment special. We will always keep these moments in our heart. Thank you, TMS. Thank you. Thank you.
Wow, bravo, well done, a little superstar. I will request our honorable principal ma'am to come on the stage and felicitate our little graduates.
Before I go for felicitation, I have a quiz question for parents. Find out one shy child out of them. Give me one name where you feel child was shy, they did not have courage. Anyone? No one? So big round of applause for them. All of them speaking with so confidence. This is like our children, right? Can we stand and give them a full, big shout? Thank you, thank you. Can you please sit down?
Yes, parents, it's a moment of pride and honor. Let's keep on clapping for every child present on the stage. Now they'll be graduating after 12 long years, so parents make the best of memories today. The values, the skills, the talents, the friendship, what all they're going to carry ahead. And above all, memories, that is going to be the best part that will go ahead with them. Parents keep the same connection with the teacher, school, principal in the years to come. Let's shower all our love and blessings on our little children. May they be really good humans and shine out in the future. A big God bless. Have my picture with them. Tanya, if you can join the deputy coordinator for a picture, Pinkle ma'am is Shikha. Come on, baby, smile. Show that you are proud, that you are equally proud. Louder, parents, louder. Last time. Hey, TMS clap, come on. 1, 2. Louder. Welcome, ma'am. Quick, run up. It should not stop, go on. Till my children are on the stage, we should continue clapping, show that we love them and that we are very proud of them. Louder, come on. Yes, children, this is all for you to show that we love you. Shine out. Make a name, make us proud, make your family proud, make your school proud. Loads and loads of love and blessings to each little angel on the stage. Thank you, babies. Thank you, teachers. A big hand goes for the teachers as well. Come on, they were the second others. They were at home, away from home. Wow, the young graduates get a special place here.
Now let's have our RTF 2B teachers on the stage to continue further program.
appreciation for each child the teacher is speaking. So I think parents, when the teacher is announcing the child's name, you can stand up, let us also know. Yes?
Thank you, Bhavati ma'am. Thank you, Vinay ma'am. Are your two parents ready? Good morning, respected principal ma'am, esteemed teachers, proud parents present here, and most importantly, our amazing graduates. Today is a very special day. You have been grown and learned so much this year. We are so proud of you. You have made new friends, learned new things, and had so much fun. But remember, learning is an adventure. Keep exploring, keep discovering as you move on to the first grade. Hold on to the values you have learned, sharing, kindness and respect. We are going to miss you all so much. But we know you all are ready for this new chapter. So now let's welcome our amazing superheroes of RTF2B. Firstly, let us welcome Mishka Desai. She is a happy and friendly child. She loves class activity, working with friends and leading helps to helping hand. Let's give him a big round of applause. Here comes Riyanshi Babaria. She is the leader of our class who loves books and enjoys reading on her own. Her passion for stories and learning shines bright. Here comes Naksh Taylor. His dedication, enthusiasm and hard work spirit makes him a true star in all work he does. Parents, please keep on clapping. Let's give a warm welcome to Ivan Badoria. He has shown remarkable improvement over time, actively participating in classroom discussion. His dedication to learning is truly inspiring. Now let us welcome Dia Miani. Dia has started answering questions in the class, is doing a great job. Keep up with her task. Let's give her a big cheer for wonderful progress. Let's welcome Anya Dur to the stage. She is a cheerful student with a positive attitude and eagerness to learn. She is beautifully crafted her handwork during the story sessions. Now comes Riddhi Patil. Riddhi is a bright and cheerful child. She always has a positive attitude towards schools. She loves learning and tackles challenges with a great smile. Please parents, keep clapping. Let's give a big round of applause for Ivan Patel, who is a hardworking child. He always finishes work on time and take care in everything he does. Let's celebrate Shivansh Mehta, a true explorer of knowledge. His passion for learning and never give up attitude makes him an inspiration to all. Keep reaching for the stars. Let's welcome Shamli Mehta, who is a leader of our class. Her excitement for new story session is truly inspiring. Keep up the good work. Here comes Mosh Vasarkara. Mosh's grasping power is truly impressive. He picks up new ideas in no time and applies them with a great confidence. Keep shining. Here comes Tanmay Sheria. He is a shining example of kindness and friendship. His curiosity and commitment to learning makes him a wonderful addition to our classroom. With a warm smile and kind-hearted, Dhyana brings a teamwork fun and joy to every group activity. Let's cheer for her. A big welcome to Ridan Kateria. His curiosity and dedication learning him a fantastic part of our classroom. Put your hands together for Rishika Gariwala. She is a bright and hardworking child who always gives her best. Her dedication and enthusiasm shine in everything she does. Now, let us welcome Vidya Sharma. She is a well-mannered student who always follows classroom rules. Her dedication to reading is truly commendable. Let's give a big cheer for Henrik Kyara, the curious learner of the class. His incredible curiosity and love for learning makes him truly a star. Let's give a hearty welcome to Tanishit Jasani, an active child of the class. She approaches learning with great enthusiasm. Let's give a big round of applause for Rihan Tevrani, a creative and talented child. He brings his imagination to life through colorful and captivated artwork. Let's welcome Preni Sudaria to the stage with a big cheer. A brilliant child with a sharp mind, she quickly adopts a new idea and is always ready with the answers. Now let's welcome Diana Patel. She shows a great enthusiasm for reading and enjoying exploring books. Keep up the great work. Parents, please clap in. Let's welcome the star of our class, Kabir Sajnani. He has a special way of bringing joy and happiness to everyone around him. His smile and positive attitude brighten up the class every day. Let's give a big cheer for Ayansh Patel. With his smile, presence, personality and positive outlook, he brings great energy to the class. His enthusiasm and great attitude makes learning a joyful experience. So parents, this is the class of RTF 2B, amazing superheroes. So now let us see what our students want to share about their journey through Kaleidoscope.
Respected teachers, friends, and all present here. As we come to the end of this academic year, it is a perfect time to reflect on our journey, our achievements, our challenges, and the lessons we have learned along the way. This year has been filled with growth, hard work, and memorable experiences that have shaped us in many ways. Now, let us explore the vibrant colors of our school, just like the beautiful pattern in a kaleidoscope. You know, dear parents, in the classroom, we learn new things every day. We have been taught about 21st century skills. We are not learning English, but languages, not math, but numeracy, and not EVS, but life skills, which help us to gain knowledge and understand the world better. By asking questions to solve problems, we develop creativity and creativity. We think more in a classroom learning taught us how to communicate by not only sharing our ideas but also listening to others as well. Overall, the classroom has been a place where our minds get nurtured and we learn new skills and prepare ourselves for the future. So now let's understand my favorite subject, language arts. Language is a subject through which we develop the ability to not only read, the comprehend and various taxes. We have improved our language skills. Our language session was so interesting as we have one more friend in our class. You know who is that? Any guesses? So here comes my favorite learning tool. Yes, it's Genie. It is augmented reality which has been designed to create a variety of magical learning experiences for us. Each feature of it brings the content of our books with animation, visuals and audio in it. By combining learning with interactive technology. This also creates an environment for active participation and makes science education an absolute joy. Now, my friends will share about one of the meetup activity. The run meetup is an activity good designed by our school so that we get opportunity to explore the school premises. We get familiar with other members working in our school. This initiative gives us an opportunity to connect, communicate, and build bonds with around, for example, kitchen staff, watchmen, administrator, etc.
This is how we enhance our relationship and develop our social skills.
Here comes our favorite station, Ukaichapade, a delightful story playtime we will love. You know, story helps us to learn new words and their meaning, making our vocabulary better. They also improve our listening skills. Listening to stories takes us to the world of imagination, introduces us to different characters, and makes us think in creative ways. We also get to discuss stories at the map, share our thoughts with friends. This makes learning even more exciting. Most importantly, story teaches us good values like honesty, kindness, and sharing. That's why we love Kukri Chopri. It makes learning fun and interesting. The conclude without our most memorable experience class presentation. The participating in the class presentation was a great learning experience class presentation. The class presentation was not just about performing learning important lessons like confidence, teamwork, and responsibility. It helped us to grow and become more prepared for future challenges. Let's take a moment to hear out the heart of our school. Our principal ma'am and teachers and all staff member. Respected principal ma'am and teachers, we would like to express a gesture of love by saying a few lines about you. You have been our guide, our mentor, and sometimes our second parents. Beyond textbooks and exam, you have taught us the value of honesty, hard work, and kindness. Your vision and dedication have shaped our school into a place of learning, growth, and excellence. Confidence to aim higher. Thank you for your unwavering support and guidance. As we are taking one step ahead today, we carry with us not just knowledge but also the values and lessons you have taught us. No words can truly express our gratitude, but from the bottom of our heart, we say thank you. Thank you.
It was truly amazing, and kudos to our young staff for their fantastic efforts. I would request our principal ma'am to come on the stage to felicitate the kids.
Second challenge. Anyone at this stage or age was more confident and courageous than them? No? So same process. Please stand, shout for them, give them a big round of applause, tell them that we love them a lot, and this is their learning from the pre-primary. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
So FTMS, we do not have a classroom, but we have a think room where children are not taught what to think, but how to think. Our new milestone is already covered so confidently, and they are marching ahead to a brighter future. Along with the students, can we also clap for the teachers, the coordinator, deputy coordinator, and of course, principal ma'am, without whose support, the children would not be standing so proudly today. So yes, come on parents, can we hear it for them as well? And for each boy and girl, each child standing on the stage, we all love you very, very much, and we are very proud of you. And I am sure, we are sure rather, that you'll make a name for the family and for the school. I am sure the teachers are going to miss them. In fact, since they've also started crying. What we look out for. Our children standing tall in the society with so much of confidence. Great luck to each one as you move ahead. Come on, parents. Love you all, love you all. God bless each one of you. Thank you. A huge round as they walk down and take their honorable place. We are so proud of our young graduates.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I would request our little anchors to take it further.
How beautifully.
Our friends to unwin a message that we must certain. So parents get ready to witness a voice. We cannot be silent. Emotionally we cannot be ignored. Passion in their hearts and causes in their minds has welcomed the vibrant performance of Class CW on the stage to leave us with something to think about.
एक छोटा बीज जमीन के अंदर था, आँख बंद करके वो सोया रहता था। एक छोटा बीज जमीन के अंदर था, आँख बंद करके वो सोया रहता था। टिपुर टिपुर बारिश बीज पे गिरती थी, टिपुर टिपुर बारिश बीज पे गिरती थी। सरकते 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 वो सरकता चला गया, सरकते 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 वो सरकता चला गया। एक समय आया सूरज प्रकाश लाया, एक समय आया सूरज प्रकाश लाया। सूरज की किरणें बोली अब बहुत सो लिया, सूरज की किरणें बोली अब बहुत सो लिया। नींद ने अंगड़ाई और वो उठ गया, नींद ने अंगड़ाई और वो उठ गया। इधर उधर देख के वो नाचने लगा, इधर उधर देख के वो नाचने लगा। एक छोटा पौधा अब पेड़ बन गया, एक छोटा पौधा अब पेड़ बन गया। आस पास गाँव में वो छाने लगा, आस पास गाँव में वो छाने लगा। आते जाते
I think they deserve big round of applause and standing ovation. Although there was problem with the system, but this little boy, because it was supposed to be on the stage, written down, whatever it was for 5 minutes he was there. So special clap for this little boy who knew that what is his step and how he's supposed to tackle the problem. Thank you very much. Kudos to each one.
So what we think like song, but it was not a song, through Rocket Matter, they learn a very beautiful concept.
Thank you, friend. I would request Sonia ma'am to please come up on the stage and do the honor for Natyam to sing.
Thank you so much, Nika Lakers. Good morning, everyone. Honorable Principal Ma'am, Ms. Monica Ma'am, proud parents, and importantly, our incredible graduates. We are truly honored to stand before you today as we celebrate this significant milestone in the lives of our graduates. It is a celebration of the journey, the cherished memories, and the promising future that awaits each one of you. Do you know the beautiful things about learning is that no one can take it away from you. Today, you are not just moving to grade 1, you are leveling up. Just like superheroes grow stronger with each adventure, you have learned, loved, and grown so much this year. We will miss your bright smiles and curious questions, but we know you are ready to soar even higher. Keep dreaming big because the world is waiting for your magic. So let's welcome our rising wonders of RTF to C. Arushi Vikawala. She is friendly, positive, and makes learning fun for everyone. Her kindness and willingness to help others make her a joy to be around. Let's cheer for Rajveer Desai. He is friendly, eager to learn, and speaks with confidence. Let's welcome Mia Pavashya. She always follows rules and has a big curiosity for learning. She loves reading and exploring new ideas. A warm welcome to Arav Patel. He is curious, learns quickly, he always loves eating and exploring new things. A big hand for Shaurya Davra. He is happy and enthusiastic, making every school day fun and positive. A big cheer for Tanisha Patel. She is a quick learner who always has answers ready. Her love for learning is truly inspiring. A big hand for Rishan Dasani. He is an eager learner who works hard and enjoys every challenges. Let's cheer for Vyansh Patel. He is creative and expresses his imagination through colors and beautiful artwork. A big cheer for Pihu Kora. She is curious and excited to learn new things every day. She has very good grasping power and applies her knowledge effectively. Let's appreciate Risha Balishwarya. She is curious, hardworking, soft-spoken, well-mannered, and always follows discipline. Her dedication and positive attitude make her an inspiration for others. Let's welcome Hayana Doriwala. Her kindness and bright smile make every group activity fun and joyful. Let's welcome Tatya Patel. He has shown great growth, enjoys class discussion, and confidently shares these ideas. His enthusiasm for learning makes himself a valuable part of the class. A big round of applause for Dharmit Savani. His friendly and positive nature makes the classroom a happy place. He is a keen learner who always shows enthusiasm for knowledge. Let's welcome Risha Modi. She is full of energy and always stays active and excited in every class activity. A warm welcome to Nian Roy. He is active, empowering in reading and art, and loves expressing himself through drawings. A big cheer for Manushi Magrola. She is cheerful, hardworking, and always completes her work with care. Let's clap for Advika Patel. She learns quickly, speaks confidently, and always has great answers to share. Let's appreciate Ditya Patel. She is kind, cheerful, and enjoys stories, dancing, and making her friends smile. Let's clap for Vanshi Patel. She is full of imagination and creativity, making fun, activities exciting and fun. A big hand for Mahira Mavadia. She learns quickly, thinks sharply, and always does her best. A warm welcome to Dian Sheneria. He is bright and creative, always brings positivity to the classroom. Let's give a big round of applause for the rising wonders of our year 2C. Now, let's hear our little ones who they want to share, want to reflect on the year's milestone.
Hello everyone, myself Arushi Pekawala from class RTF2C. We as millennials proudly want to share that our school teaches us to learn, play and grow together. And today we are here to show you a little of what we did. We are excited to represent our school today. Throughout the year, we have explored so many amazing things, from SAP science and EVS to film custody activities. Every day has been a new adventure. We went on Creative and birthday picnic with wonderful memories with our friends. We celebrate birthday with joy, enjoy healthy meal, and stay active with Shape India. We are here to share our journey with you. We hope you enjoy as much as we did. What made our journey so special? We discovered that health is well by adopting cleanliness and nature. Grateful for those who help us. We also celebrated festivals like Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi, Diyu and Onam. Each moment was a blend of learning and joy, making our journey unforgettable. We dived into the world of transport water plants and even looked up at the sky to learn about heavenly bodies. It has been a year full of fun, discovery and learning. You know what school is so thrilling? I would love to share our very apostolic classes. It was exciting adventures. We couldn't ask our teachers which class we would have today. Taekwondo makes me strong and confident. By speaking of joy, we master new moves. We class more challenges and fun, making our days even more exciting. Yoga helps us stress and new knowledge. Different types of games. Every activity was full of fun. Do you know school days are exciting? Don't feel thrilled us nervous. These adventures let us explore beyond the classroom, making them our most awaited time. We were so eager that we kept asking about them. Even our parents couldn't wait to hear all about it. Our first trip to Paraiso was filled with laughter, playtime, and fun with friends. Then we explored the parade of Surat Fort, where history come alive before eyes while watching a short movie. Our journey to Farm Meadows took center of the cherry on the top as we enjoy exciting games and amazing story session. We visited our school in Mathematics and discovered the joy of kindness and giving, distributing gifts and watching our local natak made it a meaningful experience. These trips were more than just fun. They were about learning, exploring and creating cherished memories. Our one-day picnic was the most exciting day of the year. From singing on the bus to thrilling tractor rides at a big resort, every moment was adventure. Fun activities boosted our energy, making us want more and more. Playing with friends, enjoying recess meal, and watching the exciting magic show made our day even more special. It was such an amazing time that we did not realize when the day came to an end, and the fun, laughter, and memories will stay with us forever. Hooray! Hooray! And happy, happy birthday! Hooray! Hooray! And happy, happy birthday! Every moment at school was filled with joy, but some days that were extra special. Yes, dear friend, our time together has been truly amazing. But do you know what made us even more special? Our birthday celebration at school. It was most exciting day for each one of us. Coming on stage during assembly, dancing to the birthday song, and hearing everyone cheer for us made us like a little star. We love when our friends wish us and admire our special birthday outfit. Giving great encouraging message from our teachers and friends with a heart with joy. And do you know what gives us strong and energized? Our yummy, healthy meals. The food plays a big role in keeping us healthy and happy. And our school chef prepares delicious nutritious food to keep us fit and active all day. Making the world a better place. Start with small actions, and our school is leading the way. And guess what? Our school run 24 hours. So follow it as teaching goals, like building a better future by reducing food waste, keeping our school clean, planting trees, and innovating single-use plastic. Now let's keep making the difference. On Sports Day, our school even set up a special plastic boat to spread awareness. As young millennials, we do always good at being good, not just for people, but nature too. Can you guess how we keep ourselves active? Staying active is just as important as studying, and our school makes sure we have the best opportunities to do so. Did you know in our school we all participate in Shape India, a fun-filled activity where we engage in exciting gross motor exercises. These activities boost stamina and flexibility, helping us grow strong and active from a young age. We, the students of IF2C, extend our heartfelt gratitude to Principal Monica Ma'am, Coordinator Vikram Ma'am, Deputy Coordinator Tanya Ma'am, and wonderful teachers for their unwavering love and guidance. Your support has nurtured us, helping us to learn, grow, and shine. With confidence in our heart and big smiles on our faces, we are excited and ready to step in grade 1.
Let's give a big round of applause to the rising wonders of RTL2C. Thank you so much for giving such an amazing presentation. Now, I would like to request Honorable Principal Ms. Monica Ma'am and Mahima Ma'am, please join the stage.
Yes. Next set of question. Can you be furthermore prouder of any other thing than your children? So shout, stand, clap, and fill them.
Each child is unique, each child is very, very special. And the teachers, try to guide their skills further, making it more meaningful as they grow. So they are nurtured and taken care at a very early age. We have storytellers and we have good dancers, singers, a little commander. What all do we have here in this bunch? I'm sure we are proud of every child present on the stage. Can we hear it louder for them? Love you, children. Love you. Parents, you're going to witness graduation day after 12 years. So make the best of it today. I'm sure most of us may have not experienced this. Our children are the real fortunate ones to go through this, to experience this. And I'm sure you two are really, really feeling proud of them today. See the smile and the confidence. Good luck, babies. Good luck. God bless. Shine out. A big, big hand.
Now, I would like to request our little anchors to take it further.
So yes, now coming up children to make it more special with a dance performance. Look at them, come on parents. Okay, yes, parents, it's the last class. I need some patience.
Thank you, little anchors. Good morning, everyone. Our respected principal ma'am, coordinator ma'am, deputy coordinator ma'am, proud parents, and amazing graduates. Little hands, big bright smile. You have walked so far through learning minds. Kindergarten is done, hooray, hooray, and grade 1 fun is on the way. Our little stars, today you shine brighter than ever. You loved, learned, and grew, and now you are ready to soar into grade 1 fun. We will miss your giggles, hugs, and we know you will shine brighter each day and every day, and you will grow. So keep shining, my little graduates. So now, let's welcome the brave little sparks of our Year 2D on stage. Please welcome Kriyansh Gandhi to the stage with a big cheer. He is a bright student with sharp mind who picks up new ideas very quickly and is always ready with his answers. Let's give a big round of applause for Viva Italia, a creative and talented child. She brings her imaginations to life with beautiful, colorful artwork.
As we always celebrate achievements, let us welcome Vensi Patel to the stage. She is a talented child. She brings her imagination to life with the beautiful work she does in the class. Up next is Dhyani Savani, a lively and hardworking child. She always completes her work on time and puts great care into everything she does. Parents, please clap. A big cheer for Muhammad Ali General, who shows amazing curiosity and love for learning. Let's celebrate his wonderful achievement. Here comes a storyteller, Yug Patel, on the stage. A cheerful and friendly child. He spreads positivity wherever he goes. A big cheer for Ritika Murali. She is a bright and cheerful child who always brings positive attitude to school. She loves learning and takes on all the challenges with her big smile. A warm welcome for Akshat Goenka on the stage. A bright and creative child who brings positivity to the classroom. Let's give him a big cheer for his wonderful progress. Now stepping in, Jiansh Patel on the stage. With his friendly nature and positive attitude, he brings great energy to the classroom. Next, ready to make a mark on the world, let's welcome Netan Shekra on the stage. With his friendly nature, positive attitude, he brings great energy to wherever he goes. His enthusiasm makes learning fun for everyone. Walking towards the bright future, Hriday Balar on the stage. He has made amazing progress this year. He actively joins classroom discussion and confidently shares his ideas. His dedication of learning makes everyone inspired. With courage in his heart and dreams in his eyes, he is welcome for Dungrani on the stage, an energetic and attentive child who stays fully engaged and actively participates in every activity with enthusiasm. Marching to the beat of success, let us welcome Vishwa Patel on the stage, a wonderfully creative and imaginative child who brings vibrant energy and enthusiasm to all the learning activities in the classroom. Ved Joshi's grasping power is impressive. He quickly picks up new ideas and applies them with confidence. Keep shining, Ved. We feel proud to welcome Mahira Sawaj on the stage, a joyful and mean-spirited child. She loves being appreciated for her hard work, and Mahira is an enthusiastic learner and a confident speaker. Now presenting Vrida Patel on the stage, a bright and quick learner. She easily picks up new ideas. She is always ready with her answer. She confidently participates and she always shows her excellent speaking skills during the activities. Now, let's put your hands together, parents, for Ishan Kalatia. His curiosity and dedication of learning makes him a wonderful part of the classroom. Once a curious learner, now a confident leader. Harishri Kalatia on the stage, a talented and creative student. She has made wonderful progress this year. She loves coming to school and expresses her creativity through her drawing and coloring. Let us welcome Diana Mayani on the stage, an active and eager learner. She always brings persistence and excitement to everything she does. A brilliant mind and a compassionate heart, Kunj Sudesanya, an eager and curious learner. With a remarkable grasp of concept, he has found his true passion in reading. Give a big round of applause to all the shining stars of ITF 2D. And now let's take a moment, parents, to let them take us through a journey of their achievements and experiences of this year.
Hello everyone, myself Priyans and we are the proud students of ITF 2D. We are so excited to share our special memories with our second home, with our beloved school. This place filled with laughter, learning, unforgettable moments. Our friends at TF2A, B and C have already shared wonderful experience about our school.
Every corner of this school tells a story of blooming friendship, lessons learned, and dreams taken shares. Every day has been a journey of learn and fun with our teacher guiding to us, friends always cheering to us. The memories we have made and the friendship we have built and the lessons we have learned will stay with us forever. We are excited to share our special moment with you today. So sit back, smile, enjoy the joy and love we have experienced to be love our second home. Parents, do you know how we celebrate days in our school? This year, our special assembly made morning exciting and full of learning. From Gandhi Jayanti as National Festival, each assembly taught of important values. Puppet storytelling on Raksha Bandhan and Dussehra made celebration even more fun. Guest speaker taught us the importance of hygiene and cleanliness. Simple habits now enhance keeping our surroundings clean make a big difference. We also learn to protect nature through assembly on Tiger Day and Earth Day.
Teacher Swimming was a fun journey of learning and These moments made our school days memorable and filled with valuable lessons. Let's give a big round of applause.
Parents, do you still remember the very first of the school? Oh, what a roller coaster of emotion it was. I still remember the feeling of both excited and nervousness, stepping into a big new world. Felt like no one was until the magic began. Looking back, that was just the beginning of the journey, filled with joy, friendship, and discovery. And what a beautiful journey it has been. Our amazing teachers had planned back to school assembly just for us. We had so much fun playing board games, running in the play area, and enjoying learning games. Then we forgot to feel shy. Oh, and I still remember entering our king room. I was so excited that I jumped like a little frog near the door. After all, it's hard to stay still when exciting adventure awaits inside. Do you know about the special care program of our school? At TMS, we believe learning just about building character and responsibility. Millennium who care helped us grow into kind and our individuals. We learn about self-awareness, traffic rules, first aid, and community service. These programs empowered us to make a real difference
in our surroundings. It was a journey of learning, responsibility, and positive action. Dear parents, do you know the joy of our school celebration? School is not just about learning, but also celebrating special moments together. Festival and national days connect us to our culture and tradition. Each celebration brought joy, learning, and beautiful memories. They made our school life more vibrant and exciting. From dancing on Navratri to learning more over and Dasara, every festival was Janmashtami, Birthday, Raksha Bandhan, Pranjabon, and Santa's Christmas surprise is celebration. These events give our happiness, social celebration values by making culture. We celebrate national festival with pride and experience. Gandhi Jayanti, not a movement but independence that Republic help understand our national history. They made our school experience precious. They reminded us of our responsibilities as young citizens. Dear parents, did you know how our school uniform keep us safe and healthy? But one of the most exciting moments was our first statement session with Courage Norman and he learned fun and dance on teaching made it easy and engaging. Thanks to them, we lost confidence and ready to help others. In time of need, they start transforming this installation is a way of illustrating non-salvation after a full injury. There is no need to worry. Our school performance is always available to assist us. They ensure our well-being and to worry necessary care and attention whenever we feel unwell we injured. The informed plays vital role in keeping us safe and healthy. At Dome learning is always exciting and getting better. But what makes it even more special? Over learning programs, we are Meshesa, Nurfesa, and Cyber Fiesta. The language fiesta helps us build a stronger and vocabulary, while the maths fiesta made numbers fun, exciting, but the most magical of the all was Cyber Fiesta, where we didn't just read stories, we truly experienced them life lessons along the way. Do you know the fun way to learn letters and exams? Blending letters helps creating new words and sounds. Segmenting words makes reading and writing easier. Learning phonics rules helps us
Understand words better. Finding words we use daily makes learning and exciting. Learning sounds and words read words easily. It also makes reading them speaking clear, separating words and place them into smaller parts. This makes it simple to understand and spell words. Phonics is an important and fun way to learn language. We, the little staff of RTF2D, want to say a big thank you to our amazing teachers, our trustees ma'am, our principal ma'am, our coordinator ma'am, and our sweet Masi. Your love, hugs, and encouragement have helped us learn, grow, and sparkle brighter every day. You have made our journey so special, filling our hearts with joy and confidence. Now with big smiles and happy hearts, we are ready to jump into grade 1 and shine even brighter. Thank you.
What a wonderful presentation, is it or not? Yes. So now I would like to request our coordinator ma'am, Ms. Twinkle Patel and Vinayful ma'am to come up on the stage and felicitate our graduates of class RTF 2D.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the honor, but I think she is the real deserving one. Tanya, ma'am, deputy coordinator. Please, please, please. It's you who have been working hard with them. I am with you.
So parents, please give a big cheer for your students.
Monica ma'am has just, gone for some important work. So that doesn't mean you don't clap. Come on, parents. RTF 2D parents, can I get it louder? Before the little angels take the program ahead. Good afternoon, everyone. From morning to afternoon, I know it's a long time. So now, as ma'am was asking a question after every convocation, I would like to ask you. Any one of you who is sitting over here is not emotionally touched. If not, then can I hear a big shout out from everyone? I know. Since morning you all must be waiting for just
one child, your own child, right? That when he or she will come and he will speak. So that's really their confidence. Thank you, Karan. Thank you so much. Now I will hand over the mic to her and present her.
With heart full of fear, with heart full of pride, we have seen our graduate shine today. I agree with you. Now let us keep the celebration alive. Welcome our friends for joyful music performance.
you friends for the melodious performance. It's time for a special act of ceremony where we proudly give back to our friends this ceremony artist to everyone. Let's join. Let's join for our
Now, baby,
please welcome Kanika ma'am and all the teachers who take hand over.
Okay, so this is the handover ceremony. The crown of responsibilities is passed on to the teachers of class 1. So the new teachers taking up the responsibility. And with this, let us thank our own teachers who have really worked not only with mind but with heart and soul. A big thank you to all the teachers who nurtured them and all the best to the new team coming up. All ready to take up the responsibility and giving them a brighter future. That's the beautiful team. Come on, parents, can we hear it for all the teachers? Along with the coordinator, Pinkle ma'am, and deputy coordinator, Tanya ma'am. Thank you, teachers.
Thank you parents for being a part of this celebration. Also, parents who have joined watching. Your presence makes it day even more memorable. I would request our deputy coordinator Tanya ma'am to please come on the stage to take the program further.
Dear Anika, parents, can we have a big round of applause for all the little anchors, the students of EWL RTF 1 who have performed so well, and of course our graduates of RTF 2. I would like to say thank you to our respected principal ma'am. Thank you for always being there and guiding us so well. Thank you like us to our coordinator ma'am. Thank you ma'am for being such a motherly figure for all of us. My thanks in order goes to the academic team, the teachers, the art team, the co-scholastic team. They have been a strong pillar for all of us to help in each and every way. I would like to extend my heartfelt thank you to the editing team, the graphic team, Vinayaka ma'am, but of course you are always adding cherry on the cake. Thank you so much ma'am. And last but not the least, our support staff. They are always standing strong with our students, taking care of them. And thank you dear parents for always being a part of our each and every celebration. And may we have a big shout out for our graduates who are going for class 1. Thank you so much parents. We hope you had a good time. Now I would request Pinkle ma'am to please take the program further.
Thank you so much, Tanya. Just a last thing. There is my birthday. Rihan Kevrani. Where is he? Can I have Rihan Kevrani on stage, please? Teachers, please help. So the child is having his birthday tomorrow, and parents have requested that whether we can celebrate it here or not. So yes, of course, why not?
He insisted on blessings from the principal ma'am.
Okay, students, are you going to sing a song? Birthday song? Great. Happy birthday. We have one more birthday today, Tanisha.
Tanisha Patel. Tanisha, please come on the stage.
What is that? What is? They said something. How do they celebrate birthdays in the classes? Hooray! Hooray!
Okay, we are going to start the birthday song. Hooray!
Yes, please, Shanti and Shivan's birthday also.
Please come. Please come on the stage.
Happy birthday, babies! God bless you. Have a wonderful, joyous life. Be kind. Kind to others, kind to self. Love everyone. Love yourself. God bless each one.
Happy birthday, all of you.
Parents, a Google link will be shared with you. We look forward for your valuable feedback. So please, everybody, make it a point to give your feedback. And yes, I'm sure all of you must have clicked pictures, post it on Insta, and tag us. Tag Nirmal and its school sooner. Thank you so much.